பதிவு உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம். வாழ்க வையகத்து.
Vanakkam. Welcome to our Redal Academy YouTube channel. In today's class, let us discuss about Biology NTA Model Paper 5. Let us discuss the questions one by one. Question number 1. What is true about exotic breeds? Here there are 4 options are given. Option A, requires specific environment for growth. Option B, sturdy and low yielding. Option C, or sturdy. Option D, take less food. So among 4 options, the correct option is 1. Exotic breeds require specific environment for growth. So that is the correct option for this question. Let us go for second question. Secretion of the androgen by Leydig cells of testis is under the regulatory influence of. This question also there are 4 options are given. STH, option B FSH, option C ACTH, option D ICSH. So these are the 4 different types of hormones are given. So here the question is secretion of the androgen by Leydig cells of testis is under the regulatory influence of ICSH. So this is the correct answer for this question. Number 3. The total number of species that are known and described range between. This question also there are 4 options are given. Try to find out the correct option. Option A 0.5 to 1 million. Option B 1.1 to 1.2 million. Option C 1.7 to 1.8 million. Option D 2.5 to 3 million. So the total number of species is 1.7 to 1.8 million species. So this question is asked from Living World, from the topic biodiversity. Let us go for question number 4. Which of the following statement is correct about the circulatory system of Annelida? So the question is circulatory system of Annelida. Here there are 4 options are given. Option A, blood contains a respiratory pigment hemocyanin. Option B, blood contains respiratory pigment hemoglobin or BC. Option C, they have open type of circulatory system. Option D, the respiratory pigment hemoglobin dissolved in plasma. So out of 4 statements, the correct answer is option D. The circulatory system of annelid, respiratory pigment is hemoglobin dissolved in plasma. So that is the correct answer for this question. Question number 5. Which of the following option is incorrect? They asked about incorrect statement. A, lipoproteins. It is a combination of proteins and lipids. B, chromoproteins. It is a combination of proteins and lipids. Nucleoproteins. It is a combination of proteins and nucleic acids. D, glycoproteins. It is a combination of proteins and carbohydrates. So here the correct one is option B, chromoproteins. It is a combination of proteins and lipids. Question number 6. Represented below is the inheritance pattern of a certain type of traits in human being. Here, which one of the following condition could be an example of this pattern? There are 4 options are given. Option A, thalassemia. Option B, hemophilia. Option C, phenylketonuria. Option D, sickle cell anemia. The given inheritance pattern is hemophilia. Question number 7. Which of the following is method for birth control? Here there are 4 different types of birth control methods are given. A, IUDs. B, GFT. C, ICSI. D, IVF. ET. From that, the best method which is used for birth control is intrauterine devices. That is the answer for this question. Question number 8. Lacunae are connected with each other by. There are 4 options are given. Option A, canaliculi. Option B, sublacunae. Option C, both canaliculi and sublacunae. Option D, none of the above. Answer is canaliculi. Is lacunae are connected with each other by canaliculi. So that is the answer for this question. Question number 9. The 2 chromatids of metaphase chromosome represent. Option A, replicated chromosomes to be separated at anaphase. B, homologous chromosomes of a diploid set. Option C, non-homologous chromosomes joined at the centromere. Option D, maternal and paternal chromosomes joined at the centromere. Out of 4 options, the correct one is option A. The 2 chromatids of metaphase chromosome represent, replicated chromosomes to be separated at anaphase. So that is the correct answer for this question. Question number 10. Mark the correct option with respect to tissues, location and its functions. Here, there are 4 locations are given, their functions are given. He has to find out the correct option. Option A, a reticular tissue is located in a spleen. The function is secretion. Option B, brush border cuboidal epithelium. It is located in proximal convoluted tubules. Function is reabsorption. Option C, neurosensory epithelium. It is located in taste buds and cornea. The function of this tissue is conversion of all type of electrical stimuli to chemical stimuli. Option D, glandular epithelium. The location is lining of blood vessels. Function is to handle blood pressure. So the correct one is option B, brush border cuboidal epithelium tissue. It is located in proximal convoluted tubules. The function is reabsorption. So this is the correct answer for this question. Question number 11. Oral contraceptive help in preventing pregnancy by inhibiting. Option A, ova formation. Option B, fertilization. Option C, implantation. Option D, none of these. So oral contraceptives help in preventing pregnancy by ova formation. It is a correct answer for this question. Question number 12. Phototropic and geotropic movements are linked to. Option A, gibberellin. Option B, enzymes. Option C, auxin. Option D, cytokinin. So the answer is phototropic and geotropic movements are linked to the growth hormone auxin. Question number 13. Select the incorrect statement. Option A, VNTR belongs to a class of mini satellite DNA. Option B, DNA sequence work on the principle developed by Frederick Sanger. Option C, HGP was coordinated by US Department of Energy and the National Institution of Health. Option D, DNA fingerprinting pattern is not unique to an individual. So they asked to find out the incorrect statement. So among the given 4 statement, the incorrect one is option D. DNA fingerprinting pattern is not unique to an individual. So this statement is wrongly given. Question number 14. Restriction enzyme work by cleaving. There are 4 options are given. Option A, glycosidic linkage. Option B, phosphodiester linkage. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. So out of 4 options, the correct one is option 2. That is option B, phosphodiester linkage. Restriction enzyme work by cleaving phosphodiester linkage. So that is the correct answer for this question. Question number 15. ICBN stands for. ICBN stands for the option A, International Congress of Biological Names. Option B, Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Option C, Indian Congress of Biological Names. Option D, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. So ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. So this question also given from Living World. Question number 16. Which one of the following is not a part of renal pyramid? Option A, peritubular capillaries. Option B, loops of Henle. Option C, collecting ducts. Option D, convoluted tubules. So the correct option is convoluted tubules. Option D, convoluted tubules is not a part of renal pyramid. 17. In betagemic type of ovule, nucellus is dash and the number of integuments is. Option A, poorly developed and 2. Option B, well developed and 2. Option C, poorly developed and 1. Option D, well developed and 1. So answer for this question is the betamic type of ovule nucellus is well developed and 2. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 18. Carbohydrates are commonly found as starch in plant storage organs. Which of the following 5 properties of starch A to E make useful as a storage minerals? Here there are 4 statements are given. A, translocated. B, chemically non-reactive. C, animal. D, osmotically inactive. E, synthesized during photosynthesis. From that they asked useful properties. The useful properties are either B and C or B and D or A, C and E or A and E. And that the given useful properties are B and D, chemically non-reactive and the osmotically inactive. So that two statements are useful properties. Question number 19. Senescence in plants is inhibited by is cytokinin. Question number 20. A cell increases in volume if the external medium is option A hypotonic, option B hypertonic, option C isotonic, option D none of these. In this hypotonic. The cell increases in volume if the external medium is in hypotonic condition. So the correct answer is hypotonic. Question number 21. If phytoplanktons are destroyed in the sea, then there are four options are given. Option A, algae will get more space to grow. Option B, primary consumers will grow luxuriantly. Option C, it will affect the food chain. Option D, no effect will be seen. So from the given four options, the correct option is C. It will affect food chain. Phytoplanktons are destroyed in sea, it will affect the food chain. So that is the correct answer for this question. Question number 22. Which one of the following pairs of organs includes only the endocrine glands? Option A, parathyroid and suprarenal. Option B, pancreas and parathyroid. Option C, thymus and testis. Option D, adrenal and ovary. So the correct answer is parathyroid and suprarenal. These pairs of organs includes only in endocrine glands. Question number 23. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched with regard to the codon and amino acid coded by it? Option A, CAC lysine. Option B, AUG cysteine. Option C, UUA leucine. Option D, triple C valine. So option 3 is correctly matched with regard to codon and amino acid coded by it. UUA is that code is responsible for leucine. Question number 24. Which of the following is also called amphibians of the plant kingdom? Option A, Pteridophyta is otherwise called as vascular cryptogams. Thalophyta. B, Thalophyta. Option C, Tracheophyta. Option D, Bryophyta. So among these, Bryophytes are commonly called as amphibians of the plant kingdom. So the correct option is D. Question number 25. During hybridization, offsprings with hybrid vigor superior to both parents are self-pollinated for a few successive generations too. Option A, retain their parental character. Option B, remove their parental characters. Option C, get homozygosity. Option D, segregate characters. Among these, the correct answer is get homozygosity. During hybridization, offsprings with hybrid vigor superior to both parents are self-pollinated for few successive generations to get homozygosity is the correct answer for this question. Question number 26. During cell growth, DNA synthesis takes place in option A, S phase, option B, G1 phase, option C, G2 phase, option D, M phase. So here S phase is generally called as synthetic phase. During that phase only DNA synthesis takes place. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 27. Deficiency of the enzyme ADA causes. So here option A, hypogammaglobulinemia. Option B, agammaglobulinemia. Option C, acquired immunodeficiency disease. Option D, severe combined immunodeficiency disorder. So here the correct answer is severe combined immunodeficiency disorder. So that only caused due to the deficiency of enzyme ADA. So the correct option is D. Question number 28. Cellulose is a polymer of either alpha glucose, alpha fructose, beta glucose, beta fructose. So the correct one is beta glucose. Cellulose is the polymer of beta glucose. Question number 29. Which of the following is an edible fungi? Here there are four fungus are given. Mucor, Penicillium, Agaricus, Rhizopus. That Agaricus is an edible fungi. It is commonly used one. So the correct option is C. Left shift of oxyhemoglobin curve is noticed under option A, normal temperature and pH. Option B, low temperature and high pH. Option C, low pH and high temperature. Option D, low pH and low temperature. The answer for this question is low temperature and high pH. So the correct option is B. If a homozygous tall plant is crossed with homozygous dwarf plant, the offsprings will be, they're all tall plants or be off tall plants. Option C, of dwarf plants. Option D, all dwarf plants. The four options. The correct one is all tall plants. When the homozygous tall plant crossed with homozygous dwarf plant, the first filial generation all will be a tall plants. According to more. Question number 32. Pollination in pinus is option A, entomophilous, option B, anemophilous, option C, hydrophilous, option D, Melascophilus. So among the pinus, pollination takes place by anemophilous method. So the correct option is B. Question number 33. Select the correctly matched pair among the following. There are four pairs are given. Solanaceae pair with Pulses, Fabaceae pair with pea plant, Brassicaceae pair with wheat, Leguminaceae pair with sunflower. Among the four pairs, the correctly matched one is Fabaceae. Pea plant belongs to the family Fabaceae. So the correct answer is option 2, that is B. Question number 34. The enzyme produced by Streptococcus is used to. There are four options are given. Option A, maintain blood cholesterol level. Option B, strengthen tissues. Option C, acts as immunosuppressive agent. Option D, dissolve blood clots. So the correct option is D, dissolve blood clots. The enzyme produced by Streptococcus is used to dissolve blood clots. So this is the correct answer for this question. Question number 35. Nuclear embryo is there. Option A, apomictic haploid. Option B, apomictic diploid. Option C, ampymictic haploid. Option D, ampymictic diploid. From the given four options, the correct option is apomictic diploid. Nucellular embryo is a apomictic diploid type. So the correct option is B. Question number 36. Placenta produces which hormone? There are four hormones are given here. Option A, ACTH. Option B, progesterone. Option C, growth hormone. Option D, gastrin. Among these, a placenta produces progesterone hormone is a correct option. So the correct option is B. Question number 37. Plasma membrane helps in. There are four options are given. Option A, transportation of only water in and out of cell. Option 2, that is B, protein synthesis. Option C, osmoregulation. Option D, nucleic acid synthesis. So the correct answer is osmoregulation. Plasma membrane. 38. Catching, processing or selling of fish, shellfish or other aquatic animal is known as. Option A, pisciculture. Option B, sericulture. Option C, apiculture. Option D, lake culture. So the correct answer is pisciculture. Is generally called as catching, processing or selling of fish, shellfish or other aquatic animals. So the correct answer is pisciculture, option A. Question number 39. The tangential as well as radial walls of the endodermal cells have a deposition of water impermeable waxy material suberin in the form of. There are four options are given. Option A, epiblemma. Option B, pellum. Option C, pellodum. Option D, Casparian strips. Casparian strips are the correct answer for this question. Tangential as well as radial walls of the endodermal cells have a deposition of water impermeable waxy material suberin is deposited in the name of Casparian strips. So the correct option is D. Question number 40. Companion cells are closely associated with. There are four options are given. Option A, sieve elements. B, vessel elements. Option C, trichomes. D, God cells. And the correct answer is sieve elements. Companion cells are closely associated with sieve elements. That is the correct option for this question. Question number 41. Bali, Javan, Caspian are. There are four options are given. Option A, species of Panthera tigris. Option B, subspecies of Panthera tigris. Option C, genus of Panthera tigris. Option D, subgenus of Panthera tigris. So the correct option is B. Bali, Javan, Caspian are subspecies of Panthera tigris. So the correct option is B. Question number 42. Fusion of male gamete with polar nuclei of embryo sac is known as. Option A, double fertilization. B, embryogeny. C, pollination. D, triple fusion. The fusion of male gamete with polar nuclei of embryo sac is known as triple fusion. So the correct option is D. Question number 43. Select the wrong statement. Option A. Bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Yes, it is correct. Option B. Pili and Fimbria are mainly involved in motility of bacterial cell. Cyanobacteria. Option C. Cyanobacteria lack flagella cells. Yes, it is correct. Option D. Option D. Mycoplasma is a wall-less microorganism. Yes, of course. Mycoplasma is a wall-less microorganism. No cell wall is seen in mycoplasma. So the wrong statement is option B. Pili and Fimbria are mainly involved in motility of bacterial cell. In bacteria, flagella is used to move the organism from one place to another place. Question number 44. If plant material is dried and burnt in a crucible, the residue would contain option A. Oxides and carbonates of about 10 elements. Option B. Carbon and phosphorus. Option C. Nitrates and sulfates only. Option D. Oxides and carbonates of calcium, magnesium only. From the given four options, the correct one is option A. Plant material is dried and burnt in a crucible. The residue would contain oxides and carbonates about 10 elements. So that is the correct answer for this question. So the correct option is A. Question number 45. In TCA cycle, FADH2 is formed during option A. Conversion of succinyl CoA to succinate. Option B. Conversion of citrate to cis-aconitate. Option C. Conversion of succinate to fumarate. Option D. Conversion of fumarate to malate. From the given four options, the correct one is option C. TCA cycle FADH2 is formed during the conversion of succinate to fumarate. So the correct option is C. Question number 46. Malarial parasite is, there are four options are given. Option A polygenetic, B digenetic, C monogenetic, D monomorphic. Malarial parasite can complete their life cycle in two different hosts. So it is generally called as digenetic. So whichever the organisms are completing their life cycle in two different hosts are called as digenetic organisms. Same like malarial parasites also can complete life cycle in man and female Anopheles mosquito. So it is generally called as digenetic. So the correct option is B. Question number 47. The pH of digestive juices with the human small intestine between 7.5 and 8.5. This environment is slightly either basic or acidic or neutral or none of these. The answer is basic. Generally, the pH level less than 7 is called as acidic, above 7 is called as basic. So the human small intestine, the pH range between 7.5 and 8.5. This environment is slightly basic. So the correct option is A. Question number 48. Flux produced in secondary treatment plant of the sewage comprises of option A algae and fungi, option B only algae, option C viruses, option D bacteria and fungi. From the given four options, the correct answer is bacteria and fungi. Flux are produced in secondary treatment plant. The sewage comprises of bacteria and fungi. So the correct option is D. Question number 49. During blood typing, agglutination indicates that there are four options are given. Option A, RBC carries certain antigens. B, plasma contains certain antigens. C, RBC carries certain antibodies. D, plasma contains certain antibodies. So from the given four options, the correct one is option A. During blood typing, agglutination indicates RBC carries certain antigens. So that is the correct answer for this question. So the correct option is A. Question number 50. The statement tiger is in the apex of food chain indicates option A, tiger has many enemies. Option B, tiger has maximum biomass. Option C, tiger is omnivores. Option D, tiger is dependent upon a large number of herbivores. So the correct option is D. Tiger is the effects of food chain indicates that the tiger is dependent upon a large number of herbivores is the correct answer for this question. So the correct option is D. Question number 51. Correct the sequence among the following. Here there are some sequences are given. Option A, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Option B, Mesozoic, Archaeozoic, Prototerozoic. Option C, Paleozoic, Archaeozoic, Cenozoic. Option D, Archaeozoic, Paleozoic, Proterozoic. From that, asked to find out the correct sequence. That the correct sequence is option A. Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic are correctly arranged according to geological time scale. So the correct option is A. Question number 52. The human kidney. There are four options are given about human kidney. Option A is responsible for storage of nutrients such as glycogen. Option B concentrates the urine by actively transporting water out of the filtrate. Option C produces more dilute urine when the collecting ducts become less permeable to water. Option D responds to antidiuretic hormone by increasing urine output. So from the given four options, the correct one is C. Kidney. Human kidney produces more dilute urine when the collection ducts becomes less permeable to water. So the correct option is C. Question number 53. Failure of testes to descend in scrotal sac is known as. It is generally called as option A, impotency. Option B, castration. Option C, synokidism. Option D, cryptokidism. From the given four option is generally called as cryptokidism is the correct answer for this question. Due to the failure of testes to descend in scrotal sac is known as cryptokidism. So the correct option is D. Question number 54. The acellular forms of life could have originated around. Option A 1000 million years ago. Option B 1500 million years ago. Option C 2000 million years ago. Option D 3000 million years ago. So the correct answer is 3000 million years ago. Acellular forms of life could have originated around 3000 million years ago. So the correct option is D. Question number 55. Metagenesis is seen in option A cycone, option B Obelia, option C Ascaris lumbricoides, option D Periplaneta americana. So the correct answer is Obelia. Metagenesis is seen in the organism Obelia. So the correct option is B. Question number 56. The largest known human gene is option A gene for dystrophin, option B gene for ADA, option C gene for cystic fibrosis, option D gene for phenylalanine hydroxylase. From the given four options, so the correct one is gene for dystrophin. It is the largest known human gene. So the correct option is A. Question number 57. What is true about rheumatoid arthritis? Option A, it is a neurological disorder. Option B, it causes inflammation of joints. Option C, it is a type of autoimmune disease. Option D, both B and C. So from the given four options, the correct one is option D, both B and C. Rheumatoid arthritis causes inflammation of joints. At the same time, it is a type of autoimmune disease. So the correct option is D. Question number 58. Stirred tank bioreactor have been designed for option A, addition of preservatives to the product. Option B, purification of product. Option C, ensuring anaerobic condition in the culture vessels. Option D, availability of oxygen throughout the process. So from the given four options, the correct one is option D. Bioreactors have been designed for the availability of oxygen throughout the process. Then only that process can able to complete. So the correct option is D. Question number 59. Selection acts to eliminate both extremes from an array of phenotypes. The frequency of intermediate type, which is already present in more, gets increased. This type of selection is called option A, disruptive selection, option B, directional selection, option C, stabilizing selection, option D, non-directional selection. So here the correct answer for this question is stabilizing selection, option 3. The selection acts to eliminate both extremes from an array of phenotypes. The frequency A type, which is already present in more, gets increased. This type of selection is called as stabilizing selection. Question number 60. Thalamus is option A, base of flower, option B, base of ovary, option C, modification of pollen, option D, modification of petal. Thalamus is generally called as base of flower. So the correct option is A. Question number 61. Contraction of ventricles in the heart begins by the command from option A, chordae tendineae, option B, sinoatrial node, option C, Purkinje fibers, option D, AV node. So the correct answer is SA node. The contraction of ventricle in the heart begins by the command from sinoatrial node. It is generally called as natural pacemaker. So the correct option is B. Number 62. In increasing order of organizational complexity, which one of the following is correct sequence? Given there are 4 sequences, from that they asked to find out the correct sequence. Option A, species, population, community, ecosystem. Option B, population, community, species, ecosystem. Option C, population, ecosystem, species, community. Option D, species, population, ecosystem and community. From the sequential order, the correct option is A. Species together form population, population together form community, community together form ecosystem. So this one is the correct sequence. So the correct option is A. Question number 63. What is true about Bt toxin? Option A, Bt protein exists as active toxin in the bacillus. Option B, the activated toxin enters the ovaries of the pest to sterilize it and thus prevent its multiplication. Option C, the concerned bacillus has antitoxins. Option D, the inactive prototoxin gets converted into an active form in the insect gut. So this one is the correct statement about Bt toxin. Bt toxin, the inactive, it is a inactive prototoxin, gets converted into an active form in the insect gut. So the correct option is D. Number 64. Small db. dB is the standard abbreviation used for quantitative expression of option A, the density of bacteria in medium, option B, a particular pollutant, option C, the dominant bacillus in culture, option D, a certain pesticide. Small d, capital B, that is a standard abbreviation used to find out a particular pollutant. So the correct option is B. Question number 65. Nicotiana sylvestris flowers only during long days and Nicotiana tabacum flowers only during short days. If raised in the laboratory under different photoperiods, they can be induced to flower at the same time and can be cross-fertilized to produce self-fertilized offsprings. What is the best reason for considering Nicotiana sylvestris and Nicotiana tabacum to be separate species? So there are 4 options are given for this. Option A, they cannot interbreed in nature. Option B, they are reproductively distinct. Option C, they are physiologically distinct. Option D, they are morphologically distinct. So given the 4 options, the related answer to this question is option A, they cannot interbreed in nature. That's why Nicotiana sylvestris and Nicotiana tabacum placed under separate species category. So the correct option is A. Question number 66. Swiss cheese is ripened by option A, Propionibacterium shermani, option B, Penicillium roqueforti, option C, Penicillium camemberti, option D, Streptococcus lactis. So the correct answer is Propionibacterium shermani. The correct one for this question. which is ripened by the using of Propionibacterium shermani. So the correct option is A. Question number 67. Which of the following statement is correct or incorrect? There are 5 statements are given. A bands of the muscles are dark and contain myosin. Statement 2. I bands are light bands and contain actin. Statement 3. During muscle contraction, the A band contracts. Statement 4. The part between two Z line is called sarcomere. Statement 5. The central gap of thick filament not overlapped by myosin filament is called a zone. From the given 5 statements, statement 1, 2 and 4 are correct while 3 and 5 are incorrect. So the correct option is C. Number 68. The second maturation division of mammalian ovum occurs. Option A, shortly after ovulation before the ovum makes entry into the fallopian tube. Option B, until the nucleus of the sperm has fuses with that of the ovum. Option C, the Graafian follicles following the first maturation division. D, after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. From the given 4 options, the correct option is fourth one, that is D. The second maturation division of the mammalian ovum occurs after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. So the correct option is D. Question number 69. The most significant value of vegetative propagation is that option A, it enables rapid production of genetic variation. Option B, means producing a large population of individuals genetically identical to the parent. C, it ensures that the progeny are safe from the attack of diseases and practice. Option D, it is an ancient practice. So the correct option is B. The most significant value of vegetative propagation is it means that producing a large population of individuals genetically identical to parent. So the correct option is B. In photosynthesis, for fixation of one molecule of glucose, the number of ATP and NADPH2 required is option A 12 and 18, option B 18 and 12, option C 6 and 12, option D 18 and 18. So here the question is, during photosynthesis for the fixation of one molecule of glucose, the number of ATP and NADPH2 required is 18 and 12. Totally there are 18 ATP molecules and 12 NADPH2 molecules are required to form one glucose molecule. So the correct option is B. Question number 71. The force of tension cohesion exceeds root pressure on a option A, rainy day, option B, foggy morning, option C, sunny day, option D, full moon night. So the answer for this question is sunny day. The force of tension cohesion exceeds root pressure on a sunny day. So the correct option is C. Question number 72. What is true about limbic system? Option A, it is a part of forebrain. Option B, the amygdala and hippocampus are part of it. C, it regulates sexual behavior and emotional reactions. Option D, all of these. Answer for this question is all of these. All the 3 statements are true about the limbic system. So the correct option is D. Question number 73. Which one of the taxonomic aids can give a comprehensive account of compiled information of any one genus or family at a particular time? Option A, taxonomic key, option B, flora, option C, herbarium, option D, monograph. From that, the correct answer is monograph. It is a taxonomic aid can give a comprehensive account of complete compiled information of any one genus or family at a particular time. So the correct option is D. Question number 74. Opening of hepatopancreatic duct into the duodenum is guarded by option A, pyloric sphincter, option B, sphincter of Boyden, option C, sphincter of Oddi, option D, cardiac sphincter. So from the given 4 sphincter, the correct option is sphincter of Oddi. Opening of pancreatic duct into duodenum is guarded by sphincter of Oddi. So the correct option is C. Question number 75. Each lung is covered by a double layer pleura. The outer pleural membrane is close contact with option A surface of lungs, option B thoracic lining, option C both surface of lungs and thoracic cavity, option D alveoli. So the correct answer is thoracic lining. Each lung is covered by a double layer pleura. The outer pleural membrane close contact with thoracic lining. So the correct option is B. Question number 76. In sponges, asexual reproductive structure is option A endogenous budding, option B exogenous budding, option C conidia, option D zoospores. The correct answer is endogenous budding. Sponges asexual reproductive structure is endogenous budding. So the correct option is A. Question number 77. The precursor of tissue macrophages are option A lymphocytes, option B eosinophils, option C monocytes, option D none of these. The correct option is monocytes. Monocytes are the precursor of tissue macrophages. So the correct option is C. Question number 78. The secretion of dash gland help in lubrication of penis. Option A prostate gland, option B bulbourethral gland, option C seminal vesicle, option D none of these. Here the correct answer is bulbourethral gland. The secretion of bulbourethral gland help in lubrication of penis. So the correct option is B. Question number 79. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? Option A storage of minerals, option B production of body heat, option C locomotion, option D production of erythrocytes. The answer for this question is production of body heat. Production of body heat is not a function of the skeletal system. So the correct option is B. Question number 80. Which element is required for germination of pollen grains? Option A boron, B calcium, C chlorine, D potassium. So the answer is boron. Boron is essential for the germination of pollen grain. So the correct option is A. Question number 81. Halopiles differ from eubacteria in option A having different cell wall and cell membrane structure, option B they survive in extreme condition, option C require oxygen for survival, option D more than one option is correct. The correct answer is more than one option is correct. So the correct option is D. Question number 82. Density of population increase when option A immigration increases, option B immigration decreases, option C mortality increases, option D natality increases. So the answer is natality increases. The density of population increases. The density of population increases when the natality increases. So the correct option is D. Question number 83. Which of the following statements regarding decomposition is false? Option A warm and moist environment favors decomposition. Option B decomposition rate is slower if detritus is rich in chitin and lignin. Option C earthworm is a detritivore. Option D precipitation of soluble inorganic nutrients into the soil horizon as unavailable salt is called as mineralization. So answer for this question is option D. Precipitation of soluble inorganic nutrients into soil horizon as unavailable salt is called as mineralization. Regarding decomposition, so this statement is a false one. So the correct option is D. Question number 84. Select the wrongly matched pair with regard to the C4 cycle. Option A primary carbon dioxide fixation, PGA product. Site of initial carboxylation, mesophyll cells. Primary carbon dioxide acceptor, PEP. C4 plant, maize. So the question is select the wrongly matched pair with regard to C4 cycle. So the answer is primary carbon dioxide fixation, PGA product is wrongly matched pair. So PGA is the first stable product in C3 cycle. So the option A is wrongly matched. Question number 85. Oxidative phosphorylation in eukaryotes occurs during option A light reaction in chloroplast, option B dark reaction in chloroplast, option C anaerobic respiration in mitochondria, option D aerobic respiration in mitochondria. So the answer is aerobic respiration in mitochondria is the correct answer for this question. Oxidative phosphorylation in eukaryotes occurs during aerobic respiration in mitochondria. So the correct option is D. Question number 86. The most important role of K plus ion is that option A it provides a red color, option B it promotes photosynthesis, option C it influences many enzymatic activities which regulate many plant processes, option D it helps the formation of cambium. So the correct answer is it influences many enzymic activities which regulate many plant processes. K plus ions influences many enzyme activities which regulate many plant processes. That is the correct answer for this question. So the correct option is C. Question number 87. Which of the following is a copper containing protein acting as mobile electron carrier in thylakoid membrane? Option A plastocyanin, option B plastokinin, option C piopitin, option D cytochrome B6. The answer for this question is plastocyanin. It is a copper containing protein acting as mobile electron carrier in thylakoid membrane. So the correct option is A. Question number 88. Diploblastic animals with radial symmetry is A roundworm, option B earthworm, option C liver fluke, option D hydra. The answer for this question is hydra. Hydra is a diploblastic animal with radial symmetry. That means the body can able to cut into two equal walls at any vertical plane. So the correct option is D. Question number 89. Which organism is used as a biocontrol agent of several plant pathogens? Option A baculoviruses, option B Bacillus thuringiensis, option C dragonflies, option D trichoderma. The answer is trichoderma. It's an organism used as a biocontrol agent of several plant pathogens. So the correct option is D. Question number 90. This is the last question. The given diagram of antibody X indicates option A constant region of heavy chain, option B antigen binding site, option C disulfide bond, option D light chain. Is the answer is antigen binding site. Here the X in the given diagram antibody X indicate antigen binding site. So the correct option is B. So here